Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to cook in offline mode on your ThermoMix TM7. You can still cook in the offline mode if you have saved the recipes beforehand. Now, you don't have to it's not like when you lose connection you can't find, you don't have any recipes, because the recipes that were bookmarked before, as well as the 200 built-in recipes, are available, and you can also cook in the manual mode without a recipe. Now, as you can see, I can go to, for example, the My Recipes tab, and then find recently cooked, and I could use any of the recently cooked ones. I could also go to the bookmarks and find any of the bookmarks and use it. I could go to search, but then the amount of recipes will be minimized to only the ones that are saved to my device. So in my case, it's 583 recipes that I could choose from. Yeah, that is the thing. And if you would like to connect to Wi-Fi, you can go to the 9 dots in the sidebar, then go to settings and find Wi-Fi. Now select a Wi-Fi network you would like to connect to and click on connect. And it's now connected. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.